Have pets? There's insurance for them. Have ghosts? There's insurance for those too. My name is Brittany and welcome to Millennial Moment. Everyone seems to have an idea about what insurance is, but do they know how in depth it can go? Probably not, which is why Northeast Insurance Services wants to share the types of insurance that you know little of or never even heard about. Also, as a bonus, stay watching to the end for a few tips on shopping for insurance. Welcome to insurance you didn't know you needed. Travel health. Travel medical insurance is for travelers who are traveling outside of their home country. This is not trip insurance. It will not cover trip cancellation. It covers medical emergencies, including dental treatment, evacuations, and transportation to proper medical care. Some examples of this are you're sent on a long business trip and you contract a severe case of food poisoning. Another is you trip on a cobblestone street and break a tooth. Paranormal. As an avid Ghost Adventures viewer, it came as no surprise to me that there was such a thing as paranormal insurance. You may be thinking that's ridiculous, but consider this. The owner of UK-based Royal Falcon Hotel was concerned over the safety of his residents because of poltergeist activity, and he took out an insurance policy. The insurer covered many paranormal activity types and paid out claims in the past, including a $100,000 claim on a policy after the death of a U.S. citizen. Electronics. Are you one of the many who think that their homeowners or renter's policy will cover the damage of your electronics? Newsflash, it may not. If you use your computer for more than a few days of working at home, there's a limit on how much will be covered. This limit applies to filing cabinets, furniture, printers, fax machine, bookshelves, etc. You get the idea. The average mid-range desktop computer in 2019 costs from $700 to $1,000. If you own a laptop that you take out of the home for business, the limit could also drop. And that also includes accessories like projectors and external drives. You also need to consider what type of damage occurs to your electronics, since not all of them will be covered. Pet insurance. That's right, your beloved fur babies can also be covered in insurance. My first encounter with pet insurance was after I had to rush my husky Jasmine to the hospital after an injury, and that bill was over $300. Pet insurance covers the cost of vet care if your pet becomes ill or injured. Some policies even provide reimbursement for vaccinations, heartworm testing, and spay or neutering. Bicycles. Whether you're a cyclist or you live in an urban area where you travel via bike, you can be covered if your bike is stolen or damaged. Some plans may even offer bike rentals if yours is damaged. Home-based business. As stated before, electronics won't be fully covered under your homeowner's or your renter's policy. So you'll need to consider business insurance to help cover the costs of legal claim. For example, do your customers come to your home? Do you keep inventory or supplies at home? Do you have employees working out of your home? All of these are important to consider when operating a business out of home. YouTube. Yes, if you are looking into a career on YouTube or you currently have one, there's an insurance for you. In fact, it's so important to consider that we could offer a whole video or separate blog post about business insurance for YouTubers. So what type of insurance should you be considering? Well, general liability, commercial property, professional liability, home-based insurance, commercial umbrella liability, and workers' compensation. General liability is the most common type of business policy. Here are some examples about why general liability could help YouTubers. So you post up a video and another creator says that it is similar to their own and they sue you for copyright infringement. You have a guest host come to your recording space and they trip on the way out. Your general liability insurance would cover the cost of medical expenses. And this leads us to our last insurance policy that you may not have heard of, prize and contest. This is a perfect insurance if you or your business is hosting a special event or contest. If your company doesn't want to risk having to pay out the prize, there's insurance for it. This includes online promotions, games of chance, skill-based contests, conditional rebate, and prediction contests as well. So there you have it, a list of insurance policies you didn't know you needed. Be sure to share this video with your friends, family, coworkers, and even your pet. In fact, there's insurance out there for nearly every type of business. Now, as promised, here are a few tips about shopping for insurance. Number 1, bundle your policies with an insurer. This not only makes it easier if you have to make a claim, but usually there are discounts involved. 2, if you want a quick quote, be honest with your insurance agent. We won't judge you personally on your previous driving history. Lies can make the process longer and messier than it really needs to be. And 3, always ask for clarification. If you wouldn't sign a contract before reading it, then why would you not read your insurance policy? If you're interested in learning how to tell if something's photoshopped, watch this video here. Here at Northeast Insurance Services, we're more than insurance. We protect what means the most to you, and we've built our business on connecting with our clients. In the comments below, let me know of any weird, random insurance thing that you learned, and be sure to hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up. Until next time on Millennial Moment.